Hi friend, I hope you are very fine. Today I have 10 mockup of Macbook in PSD file. First I show you image view. You just easily picture your ad here, perfect or poster etc you like. Is full HD file, high resolution, editable background color, easy to add, and here see. So I wanna try to add it, drag to Photoshop here, and you see here in layers area, background adjustment, place design here. You can see here, place add your image here or poster like this. So I add some thumbnail of my videos. So I just here, okay, drag to, okay. I try just for example, Control S, and you see here more deep or just your own choice if you like. Control S, and you see here is mockup. This file is text file on photo. Okay, I delete this mockup. Okay, Control S, and you see here. So I open new mockup file or 10 file is straight to Photoshop. It's very simple, very easy. Change background, double click here, you see the end. You can apply gradient overlay before unlock. If you like. So I drag last file, 6 file. You just image here, background change, I know you better know. So I think this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.